When it comes to accident claims, many people assume that car and motorcycle accidents are handled the same way. But the truth is, there are key differences between car and motorcycle accident claims that can significantly impact how your case is processed and the compensation you receive. One of the biggest differences involves the severity of the injuries. Motorcycle riders are much more exposed than drivers in cars, meaning they're at a greater risk of serious injuries in an accident. While a car accident might result in minor injuries like whiplash or bruises, motorcycle accidents are more likely to cause life-altering injuries, such as traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord damage, or broken bones. Because of this, the medical costs in motorcycle accident claims tend to be much higher. Another major difference is bias from insurance companies and juries. Unfortunately, there's often a stigma against motorcycles. Some people, including insurance adjusters, may unfairly assume that the motorcyclist was reckless or responsible for the accident, even when the evidence shows otherwise. This bias can make it harder for motorcyclists to get fair compensation. An experienced attorney knows how to counter these biases by presenting solid evidence and expert testimony to prove fault and advocate for a fair settlement. Liability disputes are also more common in motorcycle accident claims. Because motorcycles are smaller and less visible than cars, drivers often claim they didn't see the motorcyclist before the collision. This can lead to disputes over who was at fault. North Carolina's contributory negligence rule, which bars recovery if the injured party is even slightly at fault, makes these disputes especially critical. If an insurance company can argue that you are even 1% responsible, you could lose your right to compensation entirely. That's why it's so important to have an attorney who understands how to build a strong case and protect your claim. Another key difference is the role of helmet laws. North Carolina laws requires all motorcyclists to wear helmets, and whether or not you're wearing one at the time of the accident can affect your claim. If you weren't wearing a helmet, the insurance company may try to reduce your compensation by arguing that your injuries were more severe because of it. Even if the accident wasn't your fault, this can complicate your case. And finally, there's also a difference in the type of damages claimed. In both car and motorcycle accidents, you can claim economic damages like medical bills and lost wages, and non-economic damages like pain and suffering. However, because motorcycle accidents typically result in more serious injuries, non-economic damages tend to be a larger part of the claim. An attorney can help ensure that these damages are properly valued, so you're not shortchanged by the insurance company. At Harman Law, we understand the unique challenges that come with motorcycle accident claims. We know how to handle bias, build strong cases, and fight for the full compensation you deserve. Thank you for watching, and take care.